Hello, this is Johnny. I went to Walmart and I found I found three things, but I did not buy the Mortal Kombat because Mortal Kombat, it looked nice, but the sound and everything is terrible. So I didn't buy it because I watched other people's video and so I skip it. But I've been wanting to get Defender for a long time and they finally came out. So if you go to a local store, you will find the Defender, and you also find a new one called Spy Hunter. So that's pretty cool. So this video, I'm gonna do the Defender first because that's the one I've been waiting for a long time. I actually bought the Rampage and Joust, and I bought the adapter. I was gonna ready to do that thing that they suggested on the YouTube, and I was gonna mod it, but then when I saw this, I'm like, okay, let's just buy this, and so I bought all the special equipment to mod it. I guess I eventually, nah, I'm not gonna mod it because I found this one, okay, and this one is pretty cool. It's 1998, which is not bad, the price, and it is Joust. So let's try it out real quick. I mean Defender, sorry, not Joust, Defender. And it have 3 buttons, and it finally came out. And this one is number 17. Okay, so that's pretty cool, Defender. And this is the picture from inside. Pretty cool. And this is the back of the box. And the bottom of the box by Basic Fun, and the top of the box. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this. And so this video I'll be talking about this one, and the next video we will talk about this one. Okay, and that one looked pretty cool too. I was surprised to find that one. I'm like, where that came from? Okay, so let's do an unbox, and I'll give you my opinion. We're gonna test it, play it. Now this box is different from the previous one that I have back there. I never did a video on a lot of those I bought. I just bought it and I didn't do a video on it because I don't know, I just bought it and didn't really think about it. But I mean, they did a pretty good job of covering it, but then I realized that they actually, some of them do a good job in video, but they missed out the question I have that they didn't mention it in the, it's like how's the screen? Does the screen look good on all direction? Or is it bad, you know? Because after I bought more of, oh crap, broke the box. How come it's not coming out? What's the deal? Oh, these things just slide out. There you go, finally slide out. Man, I messed up my box. I put a glue on it. Okay. So I guess because this was holding it up, so I was having problems sliding it out. I need to open all that or just the back. Okay, let's open the back. Untangle this. Now this is the Nintendo version. Well, this company, they always modify it a little bit. It's not going to be the truth, but the closest to the Nintendo, of course, it's not going to be the true arcade. It would be cool if they started putting the true arcade ROM in here, but for some reason, I guess that's the price they're paying for. It's cheaper to put the home console instead of the arcade version. I'm just guessing. I don't know what is the reason behind it, but I do know that Okay. So you turn it, then you pull it out. There you go. Turn it and pull it out. Okay. So this model is a little bit new to me. The way the box is set up. It's different than the other one. Not too much. Okay, it comes straight up. Alright, so this piece right here is holding this up. Okay. Alright, so far so good. So let's put it on the side. And this is just an instruction book, battery install, how to put the battery in. You know, nothing. 3 of the AA battery for back here. Okay. And this is how the front look like, the paper. And how to play the game, I guess. So this would be the start button, and this second one would be the bomb, the smart bomb, blow up everything around it, and then this last one is the fire. So the third button is the fire button. Then the joystick. Then you turn it on, turn the volume. Let's see how loud this thing gets. So first you have to do is you have to pull this out. Okay. You just come straight out. It's nothing. There's no glue or anything. You know, you could put it straight back. You know, if you want, just pull straight out. Use a if you have to change the battery, you have to use a Phillips screwdriver. Okay. So now the game is on. So I turn it on. There you go. All right, let's bring the camera closer, and we could zoom in. And see how this game play. I think my lighting is not that great. All right, not too bad. Okay, y'all can see pretty good. All right, so let's press the sound one time, second time. Let's just start the game. Okay, that's the loudest you get. All right, let's bring it closer. Oh, too close. All right, let's bring it closer and let's play right in front of it. So that way, now I turn the sound totally off. So turn it a little bit louder. I don't want to get, you can turn that loud. Okay. Guess it doesn't have music, so I don't have to worry about the music copyright. Okay, pause it when you press the start button again. Alright. Joystick seems to work pretty good. Left. Turn left. So there's a defender. Just got killed. Start the game. Let's do music again. I won't get in trouble again. Joystick's functioning very well. What did I do that for? Good, hold it. See what we do, we go in the middle. All right, take us somewhere else. Okay, it's funny if you hold it and play on your lap instead of me trying to play it holding far away from me. Kind of opposition. Alright, let's check the screen out. See if a side view is good. Side view look good. Top look good. See it pretty good. How about if we look at from the bottom? Bottom seem to be very clear too. And the right, man, this screen for $20 is pretty good for a screen. See, all direction, every direction is good. So it's a good screen compared to some of the arcade that I bought. Their screen, like the one Centipede, were 17 inches. I look from the left, his screen is like way, you can't see it. And also my arcade, one called Nepcon. If you look at certain direction left, you can't really see it either. Now I'm looking for my measurement. I cannot find my measurement. So, oops, I found it. Alright, let's measure this and see how big this is. Compare with other video. Alright. Diagonally, we're looking at almost 2.5, about 2.4. Okay. So if you look at diagonally, that's 2.5. So it's 2.4 diagonally from where the screen is to, you could pretty much say is a 2.4 and a half. See right there? 2.4 and a half. Yeah, you could say 2.5. Yeah, it won't hurt it. 2.5. And the top is 2. The top is 2 inches. Okay. From the screen to screen. And from the top to the bottom is about 1.5, 1.5 and a half, 1.6, almost 1.5. So straight down is 1.5, straight across is 2, diagonally is, the screen is a 2.5. Okay, now this screen does not have any screen protection, so sometimes you might get some of them that is scratch. So be careful when you clean it. Don't use a tissue paper, it will scratch it for sure, because this screen is easy to get scratched. Okay, the joystick is very function. The way they create this, it look very pretty. How the stick is, very nice, well designed. I think they have improved the way they design it, and let me focus this. So it's very pretty, and the artwork on the side, like so. And it's pretty loud. I keep on forgetting about the music copyright. And there's 2 speakers, and they both come out, and the sound is pretty good. So you got, I think 4. 1 is off, 2, 3, 4, and then you press it again, it's off again. So you got 4 levels. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 is off. And then you turn this off. Alright, it's pretty cool. Nothing on top. I hope this review helped. If you're interested, which I do, very interested in buying this one. So I'm glad I got it and I really like it. Okay? And then stay tuned for the second one, which I will be doing next. Thank you for watching.